Let's start coloring by learning the names of colors. Pink color. Here is parrot color. Orange color. Blue color. Purple color. Yellow color. Red color. And the last one is brown color. Now let's color the Humpty Dumpty. Let's zoom in on the screen to color it. Now let's zoom out. How many Humpty Dumpty can you see here? Here are 1, 2, 3, 4. Here are 4 Humpty Dumptys.